Hi Beacons, Janine Bradley here from the Student Success Center, and I'm here to talk with you about how to prepare for final exams. I know finals can be really stressful, especially if you have a lot of classes that you're juggling with different dates and timelines, and maybe some of them are projects, some of them are exams, some of them might be final papers, so it's a lot to keep everything organized. So my piece of advice is to make sure that you have a schedule that you're following. And this can be, on your phone or on Excel or an old-fashioned handwritten something. I know I always like to make mine color-coded when I was an undergrad. So I made you an example that you can take a look at, but feel free to also look online. There's so many templates you can use, but the most important thing is to plan in advance, because you can't just study for a final or complete an entire project the day before. You really need to be spending time on it days in advance and hopefully weeks in advance so that when it comes around, you're ready for it.
All right, so here's an example of the schedule that I've made. On the schedule, you can see that I have finals. On the 12th, I have a paper. On the 16th, I have an exam. On the 18th, I have a project. And on the 19th, I have another exam. And so I've labeled these A, B, C, and D. You might want to call them whatever classes you're taking this semester. But then what I've done is I've gone through and given each day a set time that I'm going to spend preparing or studying for these finals, so that I can make sure I'm doing it enough in advance and that I'm covering all of my bases. You'll also recognize that on the 13th, I've given myself a break, and that's really important to make sure that you're taking time for yourself and to kind of refresh yourself so you're ready to take on the next round of studying. So I hope this was helpful. I'm definitely recommending that you take a look and make a schedule that works for you, but this is just one example that hopefully will work.